Here we are at AutoWorld of Conway, previewing one of my favorite styles of cars, a Cobra kit car. This particular version, a Factory 5, Mark III, with a small block, fuel injected, 5-liter. And she is absolutely beautiful and ready to go. So it's tricky, the color on this car. You ask 10 people, 5 will say blue and 5 will say silver. So exactly what color is it painted? I'll let you decide. But regardless, what do you think? If you're like me, you think it's absolutely stunning. It's a pretty well done car. It's been done about 15 years, best we can tell based on the prior owner's description to us. It's been driven and enjoyed. But doesn't show a lot of rock chips or road rash, which typically we see on these. So here we go. On the inside, you've got the 5-point racing harnesses. Tremec 5-speed. Push button start. All of your gauges function as they should. So I noticed earlier that 2 of the tires are on the wrong side of the car. So we'll remedy that here today. There's one mark on the body right here. Looks like it's been touched up. That's really the only spot I can find on the body. Aluminum quick fill gas cap. So this is a fiberglass body. And it's priced accordingly. If I had to guess, we probably had 3 dozen of these cars over the last several years. Tubular chassis, 9-inch rear 4-wheel disc brakes, wooden Mamon's Cobra steering wheel. And I'm 6'4". I fit comfortably in this car, as far as from the hips to the pedals. Now I am a little bit tall. My head, just my eye line of sight is just above or at the windshield frame. Oh, let's do that. Nice touch, they have the air shocks from the hood to hold it open. BBK headers. Now the intake says Cobra. Now that's a bolt-on modification. I cannot verify that this is a Cobra motor. It's in a Cobra, so I guess it is a Cobra motor. How about that? See the frame here in the steering joint, the rack and pinion steering. One of the features I do like about the Factory 5 is how well the trunks are finished. Aluminum belly pans, trunk pan. I like to put pressure on those hinges. fire it up here. So, push button start. Beautiful 1965, and that is how it's titled and registered. 65